Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix JDM, Japanese Drift Master game, crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, now choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings, then choose network settings, then click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Japanese Drift Master update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So you should make sure if there is any update available, update the game and then try to launch the game. Next method is to clear cache of Japanese Drift Master. For that, open Xbox Guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for the game, then press Menu, then choose Manage, Games and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data, click on Result Space and finally tap on Clear Result Space. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open Guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for the Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System. Now click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space and then launch the game and check. Next method is to reinstall Japanese Drift Master. So for that, press Xbox button controller, move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Japanese Drift Master game, then press menu button and select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the Japanese Drift Master official website and download the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.